what's up, you guys? This is Aurora. Всем привет! Меня зовут Aurora, and I'm gonna be your Russian teacher. И я буду вашим учителем русского языка. So guys, if you're one of those people who want to learn Russian from the very beginning, or you want to improve your Russian, then you are in the right place because I'm gonna try my best to help you out. And actually, when you're learning the language, you have to start from basics because that's the most important. And you know, when people miss out on basics, the further they go, the more difficult it's gonna get, and they're gonna struggle. Like eventually they're gonna struggle and give up. And we don't want that. So today, our first lesson, and we're gonna start with basics. So today we're gonna take a look at the Russian alphabet, all these letters, okay, and the sounds these letters make. So let's get started. This is letter A. A. So I'm not gonna say letter, I'm gonna say буква. This is letter A. Это буква A, as in up. Up. Letter A. And it makes A sound. The next one is буква B. Буква B, as in boy, B. B, B. Number 3 is буква V. V, as in van, V. Okay, V. Буква V, V. G, буква G, and it's G, as in go. G. Now the next one is a letter D, and it looks like a house. Is gonna be hard for you to remember, then you can just remember the letter that looks like a house. It looks like a house to me, but yeah. So this is letter D, and you can guess that the sound it makes is D, as in dog. So D. The next one is a letter Y, and it's pronounced as in yes. Yeah, like even in Russian, when we are so excited, we say like, yeah, like I've got it, yeah. Okay, so this is letter yeah. The next one is, it looks exactly the same as this letter yeah, but it just has two dots on top of it. So it's pronounced as yo, as in yo-yo. So yo. So we have, you know, Russians. Yeah, and then yo. The next one is a little bit weird. So this is letter Z. It looks like a tiny bug. So as in treasure, Z, or pleasure, Z. It's gonna be really easy if you're French because you have that je t'aime, Z. So letter Z. The next one is a letter bukva Z. Bukva Z, as in zebra. Z. And in Russian, again, it's going to be zebra. Zebra. Z. Looks like 3. So Z. Next one is letter E, and it's a long E sound, as in tree, double E. E, like E, internet. E. The next letter looks exactly like this E, just it has a stress on top of it here, okay? And it's pronounced as Y. And this sound, it has to be like super short and sharp. So Y, like toy, okay? So E and Y. The next letter, the next bukva is K. Bukva K, and it makes k, as in kiss. Super simple. Letter L. Bukva L, as in love. L. Now, bukva M. Again, super simple. Moon, mama, mother. Yeah, the next one is a letter N, as in no, and in Russian, no is Нет. Нет. No, нет. So the first letter is going to be N, n. The next one is letter O. So as in boss, O, boss. Actually, this letter has two sounds, but we're gonna take a look at only one today. So I don't want to get you confused. Here, boss, O. The next letter is letter bukva P, and it makes p, as in play, or player. We have like music player, muzikальный player, p. The next letter is letter R, and it's same as r in run. So run in Russian we would say run. So if you know any Russians who speak English and they would just say like run, I'm running today. So that's basically the same. Letter R. Letter S. It makes s sound. So yeah, sun. Super simple. Letter S. S. Now the next one is a letter T. T makes t as in toy. Again, super simple. Same as in English. Easy. The next letter is U. And it's a long sound again, like book. Again, double O. U. Book. U. The next letter, it looks a bit weird, but it's called a letter F. Bukva F. Okay, and it makes f as in fan. So actually, if you can see, I don't know about your imagination, but to me it looks like a hand fan. So that's how you can remember this letter. It just looks like a hand fan, and then it's pronounced as f and letter F. So yeah. The next one is letter H, like ha, like, and it makes h sound as in hi. So the way you can remember this letter is like ho, I don't know. I'm just trying to make it easier for you to remember this letter. So yeah, letter H. Now the next letter is letter bukva C, and it makes t as in tsunami. I know that's quite difficult because we don't have that in English, or I'm not really sure about other languages, but I think it's quite difficult. So imagine like T and S together, tsunami. The next one is letter Ch, and it's like as in chair, chair, letter Ch. And the next one is letter Sha, and it makes sh sound, like a very kind of hard sound, sh. So you cannot curve your lips and like sh. Okay, so as in shape, letter Sha. The next one is looks a little bit like sha, but it has a little tail at the end, so it's called sha, and as in shoe, so shoe, letter sha, sh. So this one is sh. It's harder. Okay, this one is harder. So sh. And this one is sh. Now this one is not actually a letter, so I don't want you to consider it a letter. Yeah, because it's more of a sound, because what it does is it makes the letter in front of it to sound a little bit more harder. So just a sign basically. So we're not gonna take a look at it today. We're gonna take a look at it later. And the next one is letter like a very hard one. Like sick. Now the next one is, again, it's not a letter, it's a sign, but it's a soft sign. So this one is a hard sign, this one is a soft sign, which makes the letter that comes in front of it sound a little bit softer. So we're not gonna take a look at this. The next letter is a letter E. E, as in ever, or the name Emma. E. The next one is U, as in use. You. And the last and final letter is a letter Ya. Ya, as in Yahoo. Yahoo, ya. And actually, ya, it means I. So in English, it's one letter I that means I, and in Russian, it's the one letter ya that means ya. Isn't that sweet? And now, guys, we're gonna make a quick review just to make sure you remember everything. So we're just gonna go over these letters one more time. A, B, 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 B. V, 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 V. G, 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 G. D, 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 D. Y, 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 Y. Yo, 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 yo. J, 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 J. Z, 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 Z. I, 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 I. Y, 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 Y. K, 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 K. L, 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 L. M, 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 M. N, 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 N. O, 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 O. P, 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 P. R, 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 R. S, 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 S. T, 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 T. U, 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 U. F, 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 F. H, 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 H. C, 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 C. Ch, 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 Ch. Sh, 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 Sh. Sha, Sh, Sh, Sh. We don't need this sign. Forget about it for now. Again, about this one, we're gonna forget for now. You. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you've got it. And now you know the Russian alphabet and the sounds these letters make, and that's great because next time we're gonna learn how to combine these letters, how to put them together, and how to make simple words. And the most important thing is that we're gonna learn how to read Russian, and that's gonna make your life so much easier, and Russian is gonna be just a piece of cake, trust me. If you like my channel, then please, пожалуйста, subscribe, or you can follow my Instagram, which is Russian with Aurora, to get more information, and I'm going to be uploading on there as well. Or if you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me, and I'll see you next time at my lesson number 2. Mwah! Пока-пока!